Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So this one wasn't my best work. It, I don't know what happened, but it really isn't my best work. It's like one of the original drawings that I was doing about 6 months ago, which if this is the level that you're at, that's fair enough, but it's not the level that I'm at now, especially the fact that I've been drawing and utilising different learning methods for the past 2 weeks. Really serious practice for the past 2 weeks, and yeah, they're okay, but they're not my greatest. I did use good speeds, geometric, and observational methods, but I'm going to wrap it up to not the greatest of sketches and a good learning experience, and I can actually critique it because the eyes are far too wide apart and they're actually too wide in general. Some areas of it is a little bit too boxy. So it's a good learning experience for myself, and just remember to give yourself good critique and feedback. Don't be over negative about it. Always come away from it thinking that there's something that you can improve upon, and I try and identify what it is instead of just saying that's rubbish. So that's what I'm doing. Learning from it and moving on. See you later, guys.